All right, so hello again. So let me first show you the use case of RAG. So here I have two files, and one is sample text that I copied from the internet about data about country India, and second I have my script. So let's open the terminal, and I want to run the script. So I will say file and name of the file, and I will hit enter. So it will start the initialization process, and let's wait for the script to complete. So it is loading the model, and it is asking me to give a prompt. So I will say how many states in India, and I will hit enter. So you can see it is giving back relevant information. So it is giving names of all the states and other information as well. So this is a kind of use case of RAG. Here you can chat with your data. So in my case, I have took here the sample data, and it is a lot of data. So if you directly paste this file in ChatGPT or other similar model, then you may face errors like limit reached or similar errors. So this is a solution for that. And now I will explain the code. So here I have imported a library FAISS. So this is a library by Meta, formerly known as Facebook. So this is a kind of vector database that stores vectors. So let me explain you the whole process. What we are doing in this script is we are taking our text file, and in our case it is india.txt, and what I'm doing is just ignore the name of the function. I'm splitting each line by a dot at the end. It recognizes at end of sentence, and then converting each of these in a vector and storing it in a vector database. Why we are converting into vectors is vector is a very fast way of querying our data. So like when we need to manually query our data, it will take a lot of time. Vector matches similar searches, and it compares the meaning of the query and what data we have saved in the vector database and returns the best result, as you can see here in this case. And after storing all the vectors in our database, we have saved here the FAISS index. And here we are at the step of searching. Now, when we need to search anything, what we are doing is we are converting query also into a vector and then matching that query vector with the stored vector in our databases. And what we are finally doing in this is we are returning the best match that we find. And here you can see that here I have set a variables. I make it 4 or 5. It returns the top results that are found. So in this case, 3 means top 3 results. So this is the script that you can find in the description. And whenever you are going to run this script for the first time, it will download a few items, and then it will start initializing. It will take some time. So here can one say what is the best use case of RAG? So if you want results on your data, then majority of the people do what is train a model on their data. So instead of training your data, you can take context from your data and then copy paste that into ChatGPT and generate your desired result. You can also integrate this code with API of OpenAI, or you can say Perplexity, or whatever model you feel suitable. So that was all in this video. Thanks for watching.